It's like Charlie's Angels.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 2.
Yep. Well, and our first full day here.
Yeah.
We just had breakfast.
And it was amazing.
Yeah, it was really good.
It was really good.
The only thing that I didn't like is the birds constantly flying at my head.
Yeah, they did. But
yeah, it was good though.
it's outside, so.
I had a quesadilla. What was
I
it?
had
My ham or turkey or something like that?
Yep.
And she had
Banana pancakes.
strawberry.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, the strawberry. I ordered banana pancakes, but they were out of bananas, so.
Oh, is that what he said?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear that part.
So, yeah.
Yeah, right now we're going to the lobby because we need to find out about our shuttle back to the airport later this week. Or next week, I guess it would be.
Yeah, next week. And maybe look at an excursion.
Yep.
So.
Got my first drink. You'll have to watch our other video because we're trying every drink on the drink menu.
That is the lazy river. I jumped in. Come on, Amy.
I'm trying.
No, she's not. Amy's still way over there. Sitting up. Come on, Amy. Jump. She needs to jump. We are literally the only people at this pool right now. Look. There's Amy. Being a wuss. Come on, Amy. We're doing a plunge in Antarctica and Amy can't even get in the water. She thinks she's coming. We are right now going down a lazy river and I'm literally on my tippy toes, waiting on Amy to get into the water. She's not gonna survive in Antarctica. I don't know what she's gonna do. Guess who finally joined me?
Really cold. It's really cold. Just so you know, it's freezing in this water. They need a pool heater.
Come on, Amy.
Here you go.
Follow the leader. Let's scoot underwater. I love our GoPros.
This pool is really cold.
And I told Amy that we can't really be wussies about it because when we go to Antarctica in November, we're doing a polar plunge. And it's not like we can just stick our feet in the ocean and
preparing.
wait. We're preparing. So
We're gonna use this pool as our preparation for the polar plunge.
Yeah. Because we cannot just sit here and try to get
I
used
mean,
to
I can barely
it.
put my foot in.
It's freezing.
Yeah, we'll be okay. Polar plunge, yeah, no problem.
Polar plunge 2021. I was like, what year are we in?
going to lunch, basically.
Basically.
So, hola.
It's so good.
What did you order, Tiffany?
Turkey wrap and then a green salad. And the green
I got a
salad's
turkey
delicious.
wrap as well. We're going to see Frida. Ooh. Oh, I see him.
Only one?
Yeah. We will have this
Aww.
we have a lot of fishes to eat.
We just got ready. We kind of already ate dinner. We called it our first dinner, but we're both full now, so
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to be having a second dinner, but
No, unless we can find some dessert somewhere.
maybe. Or maybe just have a drink or something.
Yeah. Ooh, Bahama Mama sounds so good right now.
We'll go for rum and Coke.
Ooh, I see. I knew you'd only last like a day.
We are nice and ready in our dresses. We're gonna go walk around, I think.
See what kind of trouble we can get into.
Yeah. We didn't really get to do much last night because we were both tired. If we don't get back on here, good night and we'll see you tomorrow. What do you got?
Bahama Mama.
Rum and Bacardi. Cheers. It's 8 o'clock.
8.
And where
Can't
is
see
all
me
the
at all.
people at?
You're videoing yourself.
Where is all the people? There's literally nobody around.
None.
And also, please tell me why I am in Cancun and I'm freezing my butt off.
I'm not.
I have goosebumps.
It feels good.
It is 70 degrees out and I am freezing. Freezing. There's literally nobody. We just went to the bar and there was 2 other people in there.
Yeah.
All right. That's all I had to say. Bye. We need drinks. Oh! We just got sprayed.
Thank God I got buoys. Not sponsored. Come on, GoPro. Videoing?
Yeah.
Video me. Oh, not like that.
And
I'm sorry.
my toe. Okay. Yeah.